Well, the simple solution to that is create a schedule, and everyone should take this. Whoever's listening and you're like, I work way too much. I don't know what to do. It's very simple. Take a piece of paper, write down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on a piece of paper. What time do you want to start at? Write it on Monday, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever. And what time do you want to be home eating supper with your family? Put that down. That's all you got to do to start for the next 2 weeks. Just look at that, tape it up, be home every night to eat supper, and start when you say. Everything else will fall into place.
Mm.
You'll start telling yourself, giving your time, giving your brain, your body time to rest, to enjoy it. That's what I see, uh, why there's such a fear amongst younger people to go into it, because the statistics are coming out about, you you have this suicide rate, you have this mental handicap, plus you can't make it as much. They're putting all these tie-ins that aren't true, but it should be more scary about the mental taxation it's having on people when they are expected to work 120 hours in a week and still have a life.
It